Hi guys, here's a quick video to show you how to list vacancies. So I'm already logged into the hub. If you have the sales or full admin rights, you can see all the MyNA stuff over here. So we've added a new link called MyNA Careers. You click on that, it opens up a separate web sort of portal. It's completely different to the current hub, so it's completely independent as well. So there's quite a lot of stuff that is going to be or that we'll implement in the front end over the next couple of years, but for now we need to get vacancies up here. So you simply click onto vacancies, you go to vacancy list. This will get the current all records from the database. Bear with me with the internet connection. Okay, we click on add new vacancy. Once that is loaded, okay, so here you have the basic vacancy form where you put in a title and all the details. Category, even though it says category here, there's another variation of categories that we're actually using, which are from MyNA database. But what I'm going to do quickly, just add a vacancy. So I'm going to pull up the email I received from Baldu over here, and I've already done the Cancer Association one. I'm going to do the Bank Windhoek ad over here. So I know the client is, or the business it'll be listed under is Bank Windhoek. So the position is a media buyer. That'll be the title. So we go in here, vacancy title, media buyer. Then the department, marketing, corporate communication services. Okay, cool. We're going to add that in there. What I'm going to do to make it easier for myself, I'm going to copy all of this out, paste it into the body over here, and from here I can work it out. So, okay, position, media buyer. Location is going to be, I presume Windhoek, yeah. So we type in Windhoek. We're still going to make that a drop down, but for now we have to add it that way. The start date can be today and then closing date 30th December. So we just go to 30th December. Category we can leave. Management level, what would it be? It would probably be admin level. I'll leave all of this in. I can clean that up just now. What I'll do is I'll quickly upload the vacancy or add the vacancy. Then I'll come to the physical update vacancy section where we can set a few more properties for this specific vacancy itself. There's quite a lot we can actually do. We can add minimum requirements, skill sets, all these things that we will have to type in the front end over the next couple of months. But for now, we just need to get some content up here, and you'll have to be pushing all the vacancies come through via classifieds, via the NMH building, have to go onto this system as well. Okay, so we can see I've already toggled it to active because we want to do that. We'll update it shortly. But everything stays the same. Over here, we have a MyNA business field. So what I'm going to do at the top here, this is how we can search for a business and link the vacancy to the business. So I'm going to search for Bank Windhoek. There'll obviously be quite a few. Okay, it's obviously matching Windhoek quite a lot. But we have a Bank Windhoek down here. Most banks and stuff have quite a few branches listed in here. But at this stage, we have to refine all of this. But we'll just select the root Bank Windhoek. So just scroll on over to the right a little bit because the email address pushes it out here. But we say use. Once we click use, you'll actually see that the business has been updated here already. End date, everything's fine. Now we come to the categories. So this is the top level categories. It goes 3 levels deep. So we're going to probably be looking at marketing and media, corporate communications. Let's see what the subcategory is here. Communication and PR. That'll probably be that's most relevant. If there would be now a 3rd level deep, some have, you could select that as well. But that'll be enough for this now. What we're just going to do in here is we're just going to bold this up a little bit to make it look a little bit better. I believe this text of the content over here is how Baldu got that from whatever system. Or for now, we actually don't want to have the emails in there, but for now, because we still have to give you thorough training, just keep it all in there. It's fine. Let's do that. Update vacancy. Now it should all be linked. Now I don't know what Bank Windhoek's details look like, but I'm going to quickly check on the front end to see what it looks like. I'll pause it. Okay, so we'll do a quick search on the front end, and we can see the ad media buyer that we physically just added. Don't worry about the styling. It's also still going to be refined. But this business already had a logo updated and has the cover photo updated, so it looks quite nice. But yeah, that is how simple it is to physically add vacancies. If we now also, yeah, we can see the category down here. Remember, all of the look and feel is still being updated as we speak, but that is how quickly we can upload a vacancy. I just want to extend the vacancy section a little bit more for you. Down here, you can play around in adding minimum requirements. There's a few listings that I already saw that had physical minimum requirements and bullet points. We could physically add each as an additional minimum requirement, because there's a whole shortlisting process and algorithm in the back end that works on this kind of metadata around a vacancy. So documents, if we have any PDF and we want to attach that, drag it, drop it here, and upload it. Upload it. The same with this here. There's two times documents basic, documents advanced. Just use basic for now, but drop in the PDFs or something that you want to upload. If you want to add a featured image for a specific vacancy, select it here, add featured image. It would then appear down here. Play around with those things. Vacancies, only if they're active and made to public, will be physically shown on the front end. If you want to have a look and see what you're doing and how you're formatting the information and what it looks like, head to myna/careers, and then you come to the landing page where you can run a few filters and search for businesses. You can see the Cancer Association ad that I basically uploaded earlier. The Cancer Association wasn't in the system. I had to physically go and add the business via myna, then find it in the back end, upload a logo, and then I could link it to the business itself. But yeah, all of that is also available. If you need to add a business, we will very simply, I'll create another video on how to add businesses themselves. But it's very important that we get familiar with how the whole structure of business and how business is linked to vacancies and the classifieds and everything, because it's all under one roof basically. Yeah, cool. If you have any questions, just flick me an mail. Thanks.